What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's ride starts off here in Long Beach at Rad Coffee. We're going to be heading out to Newport Beach, Balboa Island, meeting up with the Cali Bolt's crew here. Let's see how it goes. Come along for the ride.
Are you guys doing it? Are you mounting them where the stock is turn signal just hold it forward?
I just wanted to show something.
Looks like these guys are gonna gas up because they didn't gas up before. Well, I missed that takeoff there from the gas station, but here we go. It's a nice, beautiful day. Oh yeah, I needed to get going. I got that breeze coming up my sleeve now. Feeling good. Who did he think we were? I heard yelling. That's all I heard. Kind of want to go more to the back. Unfortunately, that's what happens when you ride with big groups like this. You eventually get separated. I don't know how clear the audio has came out. I've been riding with my visor open. Unfortunately, to get the clearest audio, I gotta have this damn thing closed, and it feels really nice having it open. Yes. Ooh, I feel it. It's getting a little more fresher. Feels nice though. Well, this is dumb. Oh my god. Well, we'll just wait. We'll just wait. Woo! so good out here. Woo! That's nice. This is literally what California is right here. Riding weather all year round. And I don't regret bringing this jacket because it is actually pretty fresh. But you know what they say? Dress for the slide, not for the ride. See ya. Sabine ate that cloud of smoke right there. He did a U-turn. He's out of here. Looks like there's a car show going on. Oh, you know what? This is exactly where that helicopter crashed last time. Balboa Island, here we go. This gives us small town vibes. She's giving everybody cookies. I thought she was gonna stop us And she gave everybody cookies. That's funny. That was the complete opposite of what I thought was gonna happen there. There we go. So, yeah, we're about to get on the ferry. Just waiting in line now. Everybody's out here.
I got him on the scooter, yeah.
That's my baby right here. There you go. We didn't get separated.
Right down the middle. Oh yeah, we all made it.
Yep. Woo. All right.
He knows what he's
There we go. We're getting off. Go ahead. Pretty cool. Last time we came out here, we did it the opposite way. We went from this side to the other side. Did a battery swap here at a red light. Battery died. We are on our way for lunch. I think they said we're going to Blackie's. I had to take off my gloves to get this battery swapped out. Oops. Oh, looks like that battery swap cost me a little burn. But I almost lost the battery. It actually landed right in there and I snagged it, but I burned myself. It looks like we might be getting tickets for parking the way we did. Let's go confirm. I'm out of here anyway. So I didn't realize the time and I gotta go. I got somewhere to be, so I said peace out. We're taking off. Oh man, some of these dudes didn't decide to pay for it, so they're gonna be paying for it now. Yeah, I didn't realize it was 2. I have somewhere to be.
All right.
I'll see you on the next one, man.
Next time.
Yeah, you were good. Did she tell you anything?
Yeah, I asked her and she's like, "No, everybody has to pay."
Yeah, but it doesn't matter if you have 4 in a spot. You could have 4 bikes as long as everybody pays.
Yeah.
Oh, then yeah. See, we would have been fine.
No,
For $4, now you got, how much was the ticket?
We had 2 there that didn't pay.
All right. Okay, so parking 4 in one spot didn't matter, but everybody had to pay, and I guess some of these guys decided not to. Let's try to squeeze in this way. Alright guys, nice little short ride here with the Cali Bolt crew. I'm gonna cut it off here for today. If you guys like the video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you guys want to see more, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.